up. All right, it's Thursday, day after Valentine's. It is the 15th of February. Just got ready. We are heading down to MSG to the Romeo Santos concert. It's gonna be lit. First things first, before anything, I gotta stop by 7-Eleven and get some coffee because I got up this morning at 5:45 and it's 5 o'clock now, and I'm on my third cup of coffee, so I need to be up. And if you didn't know, 7-Eleven coffee is the shit. Hi.
How you doing, man?
Can I have 30, please?
What kind?
Regular. Por favor.
Junior, I wish you were next to us.
He's gonna get next. We're gonna make those moves, yo.
We lit. Romeo concert.
Romeo concert, you already know Madison Square Garden. So nasty. So nasty. It's gonna be super fire, bro. I'm gonna be crying.
Put me in there too.
Oh, ooh, this shit is fire.
Come on, nigga, you know our shit is fire.
You look mad dope, like your fit. Just came out the concert right now. It was so lit, so lit. Oh, y'all coming? Where you going? See you.
How you doing, buddy?
Slack up.
Going the wrong way.
Slack up.
Apparently I'm going the wrong way.
He's going the wrong way.
Yo, do that fresh.
I feel like you need to turn.
Oh.
I feel like you need to.
I bet you I'm not going the wrong way.
Grab your sister. Grab your sister. Grab your sister.
Come on, sister.
I bet you I'm not going the wrong way.
Sister. And after an amazing concert, it's pouring rain, getting wet. That shit was lit. Cardi B, Daddy Yankee, Nick Jam. It was lit. Is it lit, babe? Yeah. Yeah. Nah, that shit's waterproof. Water resistant. Oh, scrub here.
Yeah, the like.
Out here getting wet? Yeah, I'm getting fucking bored over here.
Turn it off.
Nah. Ooh, $18 an hour. That's how much I charge. We went out food shopping the other day and we made the biggest discovery ever. Panera bread. Broccoli cheddar soup. Best soup ever. Wait, that's not it. There's more, folks. And we found the mac and cheese too. This is so lit. I'm gonna have this right now. Best thing ever. In 15 minutes, that's salty, that bacalao. All right, so it's a sunny Sunday afternoon. Not bad for that little snowstorm we had last night. Got about like 4 inches or so, but everything is gone right now. Got warmed up, it's like 45 degrees and everything melted away. Not bad. I'm on my way to Queens right now. I'm gonna go see Noel play in one of his hockey games. So, yeah, we're gonna do that, and then after that, I'm gonna head back home, or maybe go out to eat somewhere because I'm starving as well, and I'm like in the biggest mood for like a burger or sliders or something. On another note, my spring vacation is booked. Forgot to tell you guys in the last vlog. So Denise and I are going out to Vegas in like 2.5 weeks. So we're gonna get ready for that pretty soon, and we got a lot of stuff lined up to do out there. So I'm definitely gonna be vlogging everything. There's a lot of cool stuff we're gonna be doing. Going out to the Grand Canyon as well. I'm trying to watch a few shows out there, and oh, my Valentine's gift, amazing, which I'm super hyped about. So they have this racing course out there. It's called Vegas Speed, I believe. And you're able to go in there and you have like the option to choose from like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsches, Audis, anything, like a bunch of supercars. And then you're able to go like on a real actual racetrack and as fast as you want. And that's like, I don't know, that's like one of my biggest dreams. I've always wanted to do that since I was a little kid. So I'm like super ecstatic about that. So that's like the main thing I'm really happy about right now is going out there. But I want to get some sun too, man, because I'm a little light right now. Hit a few pool parties and get a nice little tan. Get some sleep as well. I'm not really trying to go out there to party that much, but I'm going to go out there on my tourist shit. So you only play one game?
Yeah.
Yeah?
After that, we play
Let me see. Let me see her uniform. Wow, you look cool. You excited? Yeah? You're gonna win? Yeah? Give me 5. You look so good out there. You've gotten so much better. You look like a pro, like a road ranger.